You can extract footsteps from a BIP file that only has keyframes. And you do that using the motion capture conversion parameters dialog. So if you create a BIP file, or if someone gives you a BIP file, or if perhaps a motion capture utility creates a BIP file that only has keyframes, no footsteps, you can use this dialog to extract, that is, deduce, where the footsteps would be. So let's take a look at this. So I'm already in the Systems category here. I'm just going to create a biped. Go to the Motion panel. Get into footstep mode. Create multiple footsteps. This is at 20 and I'll leave it there. I'll bend that into a half circle. I'll also scale it out a little bit, making the circle larger. Now I'll activate those footsteps. Get out of footstep mode. So there he is walking. I'll go into auto key and I'll just make one action here just so that we can make sure that this comes back. And click that off. So that's what we have now. So now, click on Save. It's ready to save a BIP file. I saved one before as a test, so I'll call this for extraction1.bip. And I need to click Save Segment, and I'll leave a keyframe per frame. And save. Okay, so now I'll go to the Create panel, already in the Systems category. Biped. Create a little biped here. Go to the Motion panel. Now, actually, I'm going to load this first, just so we can look at it. So I'm on BIP 02. Load it. It's already on Extraction 1. Open. And you can see that it's just keyframes. And there are no footsteps for the smaller biped. Okay, so now I will undo that. I've still got that biped selected. I'll close this. So there's nothing on this biped right now. No keyframes at all. And here we have the motion capture rollout. So I'm going to click on the upper left icon, which is Load Motion Capture File. And it brings me right back to the same place. And for Extraction 1 is already selected. So I'll just click Open. And this brings up the Motion Capture Conversion Parameters dialog. And we're just going to deal with two options here, these two in the upper left, footstep extraction and conversion. For footstep extraction, we're going to choose On to extract the footsteps, and for conversion, we're going to choose key reduction. So we get fewer keys. And just click OK. And now you can see that that little biped has his own set of footsteps. You'll notice that it's not necessarily identical. This one has 19 steps and this one has 21, but nevertheless, it's a good approximation.